Yo, what is up, everybody? It is your boy Beaveriation 777. Today we're back with another video. Today we got an unboxing video. I got this package from DG Pilot that I've been waiting for about 2 weeks from now. So yeah, let's get this open. So I got 3 models today. I've been waiting for about 2 weeks. I ordered from the beginning of this month and I paid $151 free shipping. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay, here it is. Here's the confirmation from DG Pilot. And yo, look at this. We got the NG models, American Airlines 777 Chrome. Yo. What else? We got the Gemini Jets American Airlines 777-300. Excellent. Been wanting this one for a while. And then the last one, we have the Gemini Jets British Airways 777-200. Yo. Okay, well, one of these is broken. Unfortunately, this one got broken. Oh well. Alright. So we got 3 models in this unboxing. We got 3 777s. And yo, the American 222 I've been wanting for a while, the Chrome. So we're gonna do that one last. The American 777-300 last. We're gonna start with the British Airways 777-200. So I've been wanting this one for a while. It's one of the new releases from August. So you got your classic Gemini Jets box. So yeah, let's take him out. Whoa, sorry guys about that. Let's take him out. Okay, let's check him out. Take him out of the plastic. Wow, this thing is really good. Okay, here it is. Here it is, guys. The British Airways. Here, let me set him down. Alright guys, here it is, the British Airways 777-200 ER. I haven't got a 777 from so long from Gemini Jets, it's been a couple years. So British Airways still got the 777-200 in 1995, and then they got the extended range one in 1997. So yeah, let's get to the review of this aircraft. Starting with the cockpit windows of the 777, this is one of the most technologic aircraft out there. And here's the Speedbird check, the One World logo, the British Airways, and the little symbol there. We have the Rolls-Royce Trent 700 engines, and we got the wingtip. And the registration is Golf Yankee Mike Sierra, and the beautiful tail. So yeah, this is a really nice model from Gemini Jets. I think it's a really nice model. It's gonna be a really good use for my airport. Because eventually I might do Tampa, and I might need to use this aircraft. So yeah, let's get to the next one. So the next one is the American 777-300, and unfortunately, I got broken. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I forgot to feature the flap about the information of the aircraft. So here it is. This was released back in June last year. So I got the classic Gemini Jets box with the flap. So yeah, let's take him out, even though it is broken. It sucks. But still a good model. Take him out of the cradle. Take him out of the plastic. And here he is. The American 777-300. And unfortunately, the stabilizer came off. I don't know how that happened. Maybe I could just snap him in there. Or I just have to glue it later. Oh, I'm sorry guys. This American 333 came broken. This is my actually first 777-300 from my collection. But still a good model. So American, they got the 777-300 in 2013, just when the new livery came out. And yeah, it's a really nice model, even though it's broken. I'll have to glue it later. So yeah, let's get to the review. Starting with the cockpit windows of the 777, you got the cockpit area, the left door, L1 door with the One World logo with the American Airlines logo. You got the Wi-Fi box, the antenna, and the General Electric GE90 engines with the massive wingtip. And the restoration is November 736 Alpha Tango, and here's with American tail. So yeah, it's a really nice model. Unfortunately, it got broken. Probably got broken during shipment. So yeah, it's still a really nice model. I'll have to fix it later, but still a good model. Alright, the last one we've all been waiting for, the NG models, American Airlines 777-200 from NG, from the Chrome. This is a really nice model, really nice box from NG. I haven't bought an NG models in a while, so yeah, let's take them out. Got the here. Let me show the box. Got the American Airlines plane 777-200ER, the old American Airlines logo. Side of the box, very nice box from NG. So let's take them out. Oh my goodness, this box. Yeah, there we go. This is my second NG models I have in my collection. And besides the United and yo, this thing is sick. All right, let's take him out of the box, of the cradle. Take him out of the plastic. Oh, here it is, the American. I don't want to touch the chrome. And wow, man, this thing is incredible. Wow, like this is on fire. Like, look at the chrome. It's so good. The American 222 Chrome. And wow, guys, this is a really beautiful model. It's one of my favorites. So American, they got the 777-200 in 1998 in the chrome livery, and then in 2013 they got this livery. But wow, this is a beautiful model. Let's just take a look at them. Starting with the cockpit windows of the 777, really good. The nose gear with the old American Airlines logo, and Rolls-Royce Trent 800 engines with the wingtip. And registration is November 785 Alpha November with the beautiful American Airlines tail. So yeah, dang, bro, this thing is fire. This thing is fire. Like, this is like next level. The American Chrome. So let me get all the models together. So here is the 3 models we unboxed today in this video. I hope you guys really enjoy them. Sad, too bad the American 333 came broken. I'll have to glue that later. Here's the broken piece, your stabilizer. And here's the American Chrome. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I've been working on down here, I've been working on a new layout, because I'm gonna eventually use that for my airport, because I have a lot of wide body airplanes, and those gates over there is not gonna work for them. So yeah, here's the NG models card. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, peace out.